If you've been following the channel, you know that I'm pretty excited about the new Samsung Galaxy credit card. In fact, I'm so excited that I even bought a phone so that I could use this credit card. And that's because the Samsung Galaxy credit card gets 3% cash back, uncapped, on everything that you use Samsung Pay to purchase. Now, nobody is going to confuse the Samsung Galaxy credit card for a premium credit card like the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the American Express Platinum card. But like those premium credit cards, Samsung chose to ship it in this little box, so I thought we'd do a quick unboxing video. So here's what I got when I received the Samsung Galaxy credit card. This little box came in a FedEx overnight envelope, so we'll open it up and show you what it contains. Okay, so right off the bat, they're kind of trying for the premium experience with this nice little envelope. So inside that envelope, there's this little folio that says Samsung Galaxy card on it. And when you open it up, you will see the credit card. Now, this is a metal card, and it doesn't feel quite as premium as a Chase Sapphire Reserve or an American Express Platinum card, but that's really not the point, because you're going to be using this credit card with Samsung Pay for that 3% cash back. So most of the time, you're probably not going to have the card in your wallet. You're just going to have your phone. So setting that aside for the moment, we're going to take a look at the guide to benefits. Now, this is going to be interesting because Barclays and Samsung don't really advertise that many benefits on their websites, or at least they didn't when this card launched. So if we open this up, we see, okay, we've got trip cancellation and interruption, baggage delay, travel accident insurance, master rental coverage. So not really a great suite of benefits. What's really missing here, in my view, is extended warranty and purchase protection. For the stuff that you're going to use your Samsung card on, I really feel that those benefits would be the most useful, but it is nice to see some benefits included with the card, and I'll have more on that when I do a full review of this card in a few weeks, after I've gotten a chance to use it, see how the rewards work, and really dig into it. There's a card member agreement. That's pretty standard. And then, of course, the information on what Barclays does with all of your personal information. So that's what you get with the Samsung Galaxy credit card. Really, the packaging isn't terribly impressive, especially when you compare it to what you might get with a very premium credit card with a high annual fee. But this is a no annual fee credit card, and it's nice to see Samsung put a little bit of effort into the experience of opening and getting the card. Now, like I said before, I will have more on this card in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to try out this card, dig into the details of the benefits, and then give you my opinions on this card. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here, and I hope that you have a great day.